Hi guys, I'm Nigel with Elevate, and in this video I'm going to share with you a really easy way to kick off your event or group gathering. It's called the numbers game, and it's extremely fun to lead. It's perfect for larger groups and works especially well with crowds that have multiples of 10, okay? Please make sure to stay tuned until the very end though, because we'll be giving away a free resource that will help you take your event or group gathering to the next level. All right, here's how the game goes. So when leading the numbers game, you will already have on you at least 3 full sets of the numbers 0 through 9 printed out. So that's 10 numbers total. And it's best if you print each one out individually on standard size printer paper and then you laminate them. Then you will form 3 groups of 10 people each. And if you only have 20 people, then just 2 teams of 10. Each group of 10 will get their own full set of numbers, and you'll want to make some space in between each team so you can distinguish the groups. Each person will hold a number 0 through 9 so that all 10 numbers are visible for each of the teams. Then the fun begins. As the game host, you will begin to call out any number you want. 10,765, 8,165,729. Just make sure you don't have any duplicate number in anything that you call out. It is best to have a pre-written list on your phone of those numbers so that you can set yourself up for success. Then you will watch to see which team arranges the number you call out first. You can award a point to the team who arranges the number the quickest and continue with the game until one group reaches a total of 5 points. And of course, have a bag of prizes handy for any team that wins. And that's how you play the number game. Now, I mentioned a free resource earlier. We put together a list of hosting and MC tips that you can use at your next gathering. These tips will help you bring your best energy, excitement, and confidence to any event or group gathering that you'll be hosting at. And you can download this free resource using the link in the description below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to get notified of our new videos. We're constantly releasing new games, event tips, and leadership advice. And hey, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment below. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope that this comes in handy as you lead the next Icebreaker game at your event.